Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. Today we are hosting 2 parties in 2 days at 2 different locations. So I hope you can follow along and let's get shopping. Okay, I am getting this pineapple because I'm going to decorate with it and we're going to eat it. So I'm doing like a Hawaiian theme for Donna's party. And of course I've got fruit because I'm going to make some fruit kebabs. I think it'll be fun. She specifically asked for dates wrapped in bacon. If you haven't seen my last video, I cooked those, so make sure you head over and watch that. I'm gonna grab some strawberries that will go with our fruit kebabs. So what I'm doing is I'm doing a Hawaiian barbecue chicken on Hawaiian slider rolls, fruit kebabs, corn on the cob, and baked beans. And then Crystal from a Butch Homemaker, if you haven't subscribed, head over to her channel. She is bringing a salad and dessert. So I'm super excited. We're doing 2 parties in 2 days. So make sure you follow along. Some blueberries, seedless grapes, and I think that should be good for the fruit kebabs. So these are like perfect size because they're not too small, not too big. I think I'll just grab 2 packs of these to throw on the grill. So for this party, we have 10 people. For the party tonight, we have 25. Completely different locations, and then I'm not making the main course for tonight's meal. So I'm gonna have 2 different options for tonight. I'm gonna do just a basic cheesecake, and then we're gonna go grab some cookies. £8. That should be enough for 10 people. We were looking for this. I'm so excited. See, you never know what you're gonna find at Costco. How cool. We need this because we're tailgaters. And we already have a table, right? How fun. My helpers. Come on, guys. We got everything home, and now we just have to get ready for tonight's party. Alrighty, now we have to get all this into there. Alright, so this is how we're starting, and I'll show you the process as we go along. Don't you come grab those cookies. Getting the chicken ready. So we're gonna put this in the crock pot, and I have homemade barbecue sauce. It's a Hawaiian based barbecue sauce. It's gonna be so good, and we're gonna cook these for about 7 hours in the crock pot. Party number 2 is complete. We are ready to eat. I did the fruit kebabs with the dip, those Hawaiian rolls that I talked about, Hawaiian barbecue chicken, bacon wrapped dates, corn on the cob, barbecue beans, like baked beans, and then a nice salad. So we're ready to go. Do you love parties as much as I do? Because it's so stressful, but I love hosting. Thanks so much for hanging out. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.